Some cars are built merely to be driven. Others are built to be remembered. The Lamborghini Aventador is a fierce collision of art and engineering. It is a modern masterpiece that commands your attention long before the engine ever turns over. Unveiled to the world as the successor to the legendary Murcielago, the Lamborghini Aventador carried a heavy burden. It had to define an entirely new generation of supercars. True to tradition, it was named after a celebrated Spanish fighting bull, famous for its unmatched courage in the arena. That very same spirit was poured into every mold, every wire, and every sheet of carbon fiber. It was designed from the ground up to be a flagship vehicle, one that would immediately capture the imagination of automotive enthusiasts around the globe. Even standing completely still, it looks like it is traveling at top speed. The exterior design draws heavy inspiration from aerospace engineering and modern fighter jets. Sharp, jagged geometric lines trace the body, meticulously shaped to slice through the air with aggressive precision. The iconic scissor doors sweep gracefully upward, inviting you into a world of pure mechanical wonder. Wide, gaping air intakes breathe life into the machine, while its incredibly low and wide stance anchors it firmly to the earth. Beneath that sculptural carbon fiber shell beats a naturally aspirated V12 heart. In an era of quiet efficiency, this engine is celebrated for its immense, raw power and the unmistakable symphony it produces. It delivers a relentless rush of acceleration, pushing you deep into your seat. Yet, despite its untamed nature, an advanced all-wheel drive system keeps it planted, gripping the road with total, unwavering confidence. Stepping inside, the cabin wraps around the driver like a tailored cockpit. Rich, hand-stitched leather meets cold, precise carbon fiber. It is a space built entirely for focus, perfectly blending high-end luxury with the raw, visceral thrill of a racetrack. This car speaks to the driver who wants to feel every texture of the road. It belongs to those who appreciate the bold, uncompromising spirit of pure Italian design. As every single piece falls into place, the grand vision is finally realized. It is a timeless icon of performance, captured and frozen in perfect miniature detail. The Lamborghini Aventador, a true work of art, always waiting for the open road.